1 minute. So, good morning to all once again. So, my
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
comparison in the previous class, right? I have a
Morning,
request, all
ma'am.
of you. I request everybody to mute your audio. Am I audible to you now?
Yes, ma'am. You're
Yes, ma'am.
audible.
Okay, fine. Okay, so we discussed positive degree, we discussed a comparative degree, and also we discussed superlative degree in the last class, right?
Superlative degree. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so listen carefully. What is what is the use of using a positive degree? I have told you we are using positive degree to make no comparisons at all. It is not possible for us to make
no
any
comparison.
comparisons using the positive degree. We are using with the base form of the adjective. Positive degree, you can see the base form of the adjective like tall, short, long. Okay. All smart, all these are the words we can use in positive degree. The base form of the adjective. We are not comparing anyone using a positive degree. Okay. And also we have explained about a comparative degree where we are making the comparison. Okay. We are comparing two persons. Comparative degree we are using to compare two. Remember? Two persons, two places, or two things. And don't ever forget you have to use er and than in a comparative degree. Okay, it is easy for us to identify the comparative degree by looking at er and the use of than. I am taller than Avantika. Nice name, Avantika. I like this name very much. Okay, I am taller than Avantika. I am, and Vinayak is shorter than Anjumas. Okay, here the comparison is made between me and Avantika, and also with Vinayak and
two
myself,
people.
right? So two persons comparison is made. My house is big and Vinayak's house is bigger than mine, right?
We will are
ER, and we have to use, don't ever forget to use THA and than in a comparative degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So the comparison in positive degree there is no comparison made at all, and in comparative degree we are comparing using two persons, not more than two. Two persons, right? Two things, not more than two. Clear?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now comes the third one. Superlative degree. Okay, all of you mute.
Degree.
I'm repeating the same thing. Mute means you must mute it. Okay, little ones, please remember we are going to use the word called superlative degree. I have told you we are using to compare. It is the greatest degree of adjective. Okay, the greatest degree of adjective used in comparison, because superlative degree we are using to compare more than two persons, more than two places, more than two things. Okay, more than. That is most important, more than. In a group, if we want to compare someone or something, we are using the superlative degree. And it is a must to use the article the before the superlative, and est at the end of the word help us to identify the superlative degree. Clear?
And some sounds are coming. TV sounds
Very
are
clear,
coming.
ma'am.
That is because you haven't muted your audio. Okay? It's a must to mute your audio. Otherwise, it's a disturbance. Pooja B. Pai, please mute it. Royce and Francis, mute. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Now, it's pakka clear, right? So children, we are actually learning about degrees of comparison. We discussed positive, we discussed comparative, and we discussed superlative degree. So we need to do an exercise using all these degrees, right? So I'm going to give you 5 words. Okay? We are going to change those 5 words into positive, superlative, and a comparative. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you take a paper. All of you take a paper and a pen, and please be ready.
Rough book.
Rough book also you can use it later on after you can write it in a paper, fresh paper. Okay? After the class.
And file it. You want to file it also?
You have to file these notes. Whatever we are discussing in the class must be filed. If we are doing any exercises in the class, you have to file it. Okay? So now you take a paper. If you have a rough book with you, you can use it. Okay, Royce, turn on your video. Royce and Francis, turn on your video. Yes, it is a must. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. I'm going to give you the work. Okay, so all of you, please draw a box. All of you, please draw a box.
Ma'am, with scale.
If you have a scale, that is better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? It has gone 1 minute.
Ma'am, you stop screen sharing.
Wait, it's gone. I'll share once again. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. 1 minute. Let me share once again something. Yes. Okay. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. White
Okay.
screen, white board.
Whiteboard. So see a table like this and write positive in one column. Second column comparative. Third one superlative. You're going to complete this box, okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can hear you.
Okay. The first word is larger. Please write its positive and superlative form. Second one is luckiest. Write the positive and comparative forms. Strong. One, two, three, fourth one. Tallest. Fifth one. Wiser. Sixth one. Old. Seventh one. Blacker. Eighth one. Eighth one. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Stronger. Ninth one. Ninth one. Poorest. Okay. And last one.
One can you spell?
Poorest. P-O-O-R-E-S-T. Fastest. I hope that you have also completed the table. The first one is larger. Second one is luckiest. Third one is strong. Fourth one tallest. Fifth one wiser. Sixth
Excuse
one
me, ma'am.
1 minute. Seventh one blacker. Eighth one stronger. Ninth one poorest. And 10th one fastest. Please write positive and superlative.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, third one and eighth one is stronger itself.
Okay, thank you. So I'll be changing the word. Okay, I'll be changing the word into, sorry, it's not stronger, it's duller. D-U-L-L-E-R. I know. Is it clear? D-U-L-L-E-R, duller.
Ma'am, I write stronger only. Strong, that's 2 itself.
That is okay. You please draw another column and that column can be cancelled. Okay. So shall I stop sharing? Have you completed the table? Now you're going to
No,
write,
ma'am.
right?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
8 to
There are,
what?
I have given 10 words. 1, 3 stunt words are over. First one, larger. Second one, luckiest. See, it is duller. D-U-L-L-E-R. Okay, duller. If I use sharpener, I think it goes. See, that is why I'm not using. Oh, tell me the words. Which is the 7th word?
Ma'am?
7th word?
Blacker. Blacker.
Okay, blacker.
Blacker.
Okay, and 8th word?
Dull. Duller.
Which word I said?
Duller.
Duller. Okay.
Duller.
Okay, fine. Okay, now I got the words. So I'm going to stop sharing. Now, please go through the table and complete it.
Complete.
Yeah, you have to.
Ma'am, complete.
Complete it. Very good.
Ma'am, what's the 10th word?
Very good. 10th one, fastest. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
ma'am, what is the 9th one?
9th one, can Aditi Ishwar, can you tell me the word? 9th word?
Poorest.
Poorest. P-O-O-R-E-S-T. Poorest.
Ma'am, answer also finished now.
Okay, so let me start with Advika. Advika, my dear, can you hear me, Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me the first answer? Advika.
Yes.
Yes.
Positive, large,
Okay,
negative, larger,
very good.
negative, largest.
The largest, absolutely correct. Now, Angelina Martin, second one. Angelina Martin, second one.
Lucky, luckier.
Lucky, excellent.
The
Lucky. See,
luckiest.
all of you, please write lucky. Don't write luck. If anybody has written luck, please remove it. Okay, it is lucky, correct. Lucky,
Luckier, the luckiest.
luckier,
The luckiest.
the luckiest. Royce, tell me the answer.
And what is fifth one?
Huh?
What is fifth one, ma'am?
Fifth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Angelina,
Ma'am,
can you share
wise.
fifth question?
Ma'am, wise.
Fifth
Wise.
one you're talking?
Wise.
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 The word is wise.
Not wise, ma'am.
W-I-S-E, wise.
The question was
Royce,
wise.
Royce, you can write under positive wise and find out comparative and superlative form of wise. Okay, so now I have Avantika. Avantika, third question.
Strong now. Strong now.
Yes,
Strong, stronger, strongest.
absolutely correct. Pranava. Next word.
Yes, ma'am.
Next word, Pranava. It's not clear for me.
Wise, wiser, wisest.
Okay, wise, wiser,
Wiser,
wisest.
Ma'am,
Aromal.
it is fifth one, ma'am.
Aromal
That
remove
is
the
fifth
headset,
one.
so he won't be able to listen. Okay.
Ma'am, that
Razel,
is
Ma'am,
fifth one.
ma'am, it's not fourth one. It is fifth one. She
Okay.
said.
Razel,
Wise.
fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one. Can you read the fourth question for me?
The fourth one is blacker. Blacker, blackest.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Black,
that seventh
blacker,
question, ma'am.
And that is
blackest. Okay.
Seventh
Emmanuel
question,
Jiffy. Emmanuel Jiffy. Read sixth question. Emmanuel, read the sixth question and its answer. No. Siana Jaffer, it's over. Krishna. Krishna, can you hear me, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read the next one for me?
Old, older, oldest.
Old, older, oldest. Okay, Rana Fatima. Next one. Rana Fatima. Next one.
Poor.
Okay.
Ma'am, dull. Dull.
Okay, dull,
Duller.
duller,
Dullest.
dullest. Absolutely correct. And Shreya?
Poor, poorer, poorest.
Poor, poorer, poorest. Vinayak Rajivan? Vinayak?
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
turn now.
Fast. Faster. Fastest.
Okay, fast, faster, fastest. So all the
Ma'am.
10 questions we discussed here, right?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So
Except
one more
fourth
time.
question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ahil Samir, it's your turn now.
Fourth one,
Ahil?
ma'am. Fourth one.
Yes,
Fourth one.
ma'am. I have one thing.
Ah.
I haven't write these things in order because I am very slow in writing. That's
No,
why.
you are very fast. Today onwards, you will be coming with me all the time. You'll be finishing as I am stopping my class. Okay. So
Ma'am,
no
can you tell
problem.
me the
You're not
question
very
I
slow. You're a very good child. So you should be on time in all the submissions. Okay. Okay. So listen, children.
Ma'am,
So we
fourth
have
one.
discussed. Which one we haven't discussed? Fourth one. Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
read the fourth
Yes,
one for
ma'am.
me
Tall,
now?
tall.
Tall, taller, tallest.
Okay, tall, taller, tallest. All 10 questions are over. So there is a page in your English grammar workbook. Children, there is a page in your English grammar workbook, and there you can see one form.
Ma'am, page number.
Yeah, page number I'll tell you later. I'll send you WhatsApp message. Children, listen. In that you have to fill a box like this. Okay. There is no box. You have to draw a box there and have to complete the table. Clear?
Yes,
where
ma'am.
you need to write the
Ma'am, you will send.
comparative form, where you want to write the
I will send the
superlative.
page number.
Okay, I will tell you the page
Ma'am.
number. I will send you a message today itself. Okay, so please do it as
Page
soon as
number
possible.
11. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's under degrees of comparison in your English grammar workbook. Please do complete that column. Okay, where you
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
find out the comparative and the superlative degree. So when you write
Ma'am,
superlative
I got
degree,
it.
it is
Page number
better to
11.
use the.
Page number 11.
I do that.
Okay, it is better to use the article the before the word. Okay, so when you write superlative forms, it is easy for you to write the greatest, the smallest, the poorest. Okay, which will help you to
Yes.
use the always in the, whenever you are writing, whenever you are filling the gaps. Okay. So now we are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to learn how to form comparative, how to form comparatives and how to form superlatives. There
Superlative.
are a few rules to be remembered, or there are a few rules to be learned. So now you're familiar with the positive degree. Now you're familiar with the comparative degree and also very much clear with the superlative
Yes,
degree.
ma'am.
And you know how to form using ER and than in comparative.
Yes,
How to use
EST.
the article along with the EST forms in superlatives, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now we are
Yes,
going to learn a
ma'am.
few rules. So let me show a rule box to you. Okay, we are going to learn about
Ma'am,
different
screen
rules
sharing?
used in- Yeah, I'm sharing the screen. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am. Degrees
ma'am.
of comparison.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
You had
comparison
sent
of
you had
adjectives.
uploaded in the
Yes.
ma'am. You had
Yes.
uploaded in
Look
the
at the
website.
box here. Rule number 1. Okay, we are going to discuss rule number 1 under degrees of comparison. That means how to form a comparative degree and superlative degree. If you get a word. Okay, this is called formation of comparatives and superlatives in English grammar. Okay, rule number 1. Okay, most adjectives of one syllable. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
what is the
I
meaning
need
of
to
syllable?
know. I need to know how
Excuse
many
me,
of you
ma'am.
are familiar with the word syllable.
Ma'am, I really didn't
How many of
heard.
you are familiar with the word
Ma'am,
syllable?
I don't know. Ma'am, I don't know.
So let us learn syllable first. Before jumping into the rule, we have to know what is a syllable, right?
yes, ma'am.
See, basic unit of sound is called a syllable. A word is called a syllable. What is it? The basic unit of sound. To form a word is called a syllable, and which is also called the fully pronounced sound. Okay, I'll tell you. If I'm going to give you a word, you will be breaking that word into different sounds, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Example. The word beautiful. I used a word called beautiful. We can split this word beautiful into three, right? Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay, beautiful.
Full.
By
Ma'am, like that.
combining these three different sounds, we got a word called beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
that
like
one piece of
Thiruvananthapuram.
sound is called one syllable. Okay, that
Ma'am,
one piece of
Thiruvananthapuram.
sound, a fully pronounced sound is called one syllable. Usually we are making these syllables by adding a vowel with a consonant. So you are familiar with, before asking consonant and vowels, let me ask you a question. How many alphabets are there in English grammar? Or in English?
27.
There are 27. Oh my God.
26.
26.
I am not familiar with 27 alphabet.
Oh my
26.
God.
26.
Remember, 26 alphabet? Huh?
Listen,
26
just
alphabets?
Not yes.
How
No.
many alphabet?
25.
Have you heard Aksharamala in Malayalam?
Yes, ma'am.
We are all Malayalis, right? So have you all familiar with the word Aksharamala in Malayalam?
Yes, ma'am. Alphabets.
How many Aksharamala in Malayalam? Only one, right? And that one alphabet, it consists of many letters, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in English also, only one alphabet. And this one alphabet is consist of 26 letters. Okay? Okay? Am I clear? Getting confused. You're getting confused. Children, an alphabet is one. There is only one alphabet in English grammar. That is why we are not calling alphabets. It is an alphabet. And this one single alphabet is actually consist of 26 letters. Okay? And this 26 letters again divided into consonant sounds and vowel sounds, or consonants and vowels. Okay?
Yes,
Clear? So now I would like to hear the alphabet from you, the letters of alphabet from you. Okay, let me share the screen. I'm going to write.
Okay.
I don't know if I am correct or
And
not.
vowels
So you
and
are going to
consonants.
teach me. You are going to teach me the alphabet, the letters in one single alphabet, small letter. Okay,
Ma'am,
Avantika,
vowels
tell me.
and consonants.
Tell me the letters in alphabet, English alphabet. There are 26 letters, right? It is starting with A.
A.
B.
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 Okay. D. E. F. G.
G.
F.
H. I. J.
These are the 26 letters in English alphabet. Am I clear? Am I clear, kids? How many alphabets are there in English?
26.
1.
Alphabet. And that one alphabet consists of
One
26
alphabet.
letters.
26.
Okay?
The
And
group
A,
1.
E, I,
I.
O,
O. U.
are the vowel sounds.
Vowel
Okay?
sound.
Are the vowels.
Consonants.
Okay, we are calling vowels.
C, D, E, F, G, H, J,
What are the
K,
vowels?
L,
All
M,
of you
N,
please
O,
mute. All of you please mute your audio and listen. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are the vowels used in English alphabet, right? And the remaining letters are called consonants in English grammar, right? So consonants and
Consonants.
vowels, right? You're getting your
Yes, ma'am.
accent reduction classes, right?
Yes,
Once in
ma'am.
a week.
There
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the sonic sounds and all.
Reduction classes,
Sounds.
right?
Yes, ma'am. Accent
Yes,
reduction.
ma'am.
So many
Yes. So
sounds
my dear
they are
children,
teaching.
listen,
Vowels and
there is
consonants.
only one alphabet which consists of 26 letters, and this 26 letters are divided into consonant letters and vowel letters. Okay? Consonant
It's
and
a new
vowels are
information,
A,
ma'am.
E, I, O, U. Once we remove this vowels or vowel letters from English alphabet, the remaining 21 are called the consonants. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes,
okay, now
ma'am.
again back to syllable. Okay, again back to syllable. I have told you a syllable is also called a fully pronounced sound. Why it is called a fully pronounced sound? We are combining different syllables to make a word. So, this
Yes,
syllable
ma'am.
is a basic
Ma'am,
unit of sound.
Ma'am,
Okay,
one word is
syllable
there, ma'am.
is also it is we are using to form a word. It is the basic unit of a word or a
Yes,
sound.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
children, listen.
I know
And
one
I have
word
told
like
you
that.
there are many syllabic words. We are using monosyllabic. Mono means one. Disyllabic. Di means two. Trisyllabic means three.
Three.
Okay, among this beautiful is a trisyllabic words, because if we split the main word into different pieces,
Three.
we'll be getting three different
Three
sounds.
syllables.
Beautiful. Okay, so it is
Yes,
easy
ma'am.
to identify the
Ma'am,
syllables
sweet.
from a word. Okay, we'll be
Ma'am,
discussing
sweet.
syllables and rule number 1
Pujam.
onwards in the coming class. Okay, so it's
Yes,
time to
ma'am.
wind up. The next teacher is waiting here. Thank you for attending my class.
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. It was
Thank
my
you,
pleasure,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.